Okay, fam, so here it is. So we have the foundation done. My brothers cleared it out, made kind of a well on both sides, and then they put in the plastic on the ground and then put in all the rebar and tied the rebar down. And then it is time for the pour. So these guys came in one of these commercial type trucks, and so they wasn't able to get it in my backyard. So they literally had to use wheelbarrows to track it all back there. So after 50 trips later, it's finally done. So I'm happy about that. Next steps is to my brother removed the board, so the form is out. So I have to just put a light mist of water on it 2 times a day for the next 7 days. And then after that, it should be set enough for us to go ahead and set the shed on top of the concrete foundation. Now, as far as the sides, I did buy 3 of the panel boards, and I just thought, we would just cut them in half and add it to the bottom piece. But I actually did some digging on that, and I found some PVC boards. It's probably not what it's called, but there are PVC boards that you can use for the border around, and they come in different heights. So I'm thinking I only need about 3 inches of it. So I'm gonna take the other ones back and order those and use that because that will never deteriorate. It's pretty much will match the panels that I already have. Anyway, y'all see, I'm just excited to have the concrete poured. And then I went in there. They came at 2 o'clock. These folks did not leave until about maybe 6 o'clock. So it got pretty dark, but I was still determined to throw my glitter down. Me and my big ideas. I'm thinking, yay, this is gonna be nice. So I threw glitter down, and then the next morning I come out and I'm like, okay, let me go ahead and wash it. And I'm just putting a little water on it, and I can see the little glitter just coming right on off. So that was a fail. Some of it may stay, most of it probably won't, which is okay. Now I also will share that the guys had concrete left over, and so I asked them just to make me a little step in front, which was awesome to them to do that. So, yeah, okay. Enjoy. Bye, guys.